name of the website is Fast Online, and as you can see, our motto is down the fastest way to learn. Joseph, please go to the next slide. Right, so as I said earlier on, the members in this project are Kelvin Osu, which is me, and Joseph Nkanta, who will be going through all the slides. Joseph, please next slide. All right, so let me just quickly tell you about our project Fast Teach Online. It's an e-learning platform, as I said earlier on, which is designed with high quality education materials. Our mission over here is to provide learners of all ages with the tools and knowledge they can need in a fraction of time, helping them to master new skills and advance their careers with ease. Also, it's a way to learn a way to achieve the best way to get a job done, and that's through our website e-learning. Joseph, next slide. The learning objectives for our Fast Teach Online website. Number one, through this, learners would be able to apply newly acquired knowledge or skills in real world scenarios. So when they are facing any real world scenarios, they'll be able to apply the knowledge and skills they acquire on this site. By the end of the e-learning platform, learners should be able to know enough, or would have been equipped with enough knowledge and skills that would help them be able to bid for jobs or get jobs. Number three, learners should be able to track their progress and improve continuously through self-assessments, quizzes, and we also have a feedback option. And last but not least, by completing this course or the courses over here, learners would be able to achieve specific and measurable outcomes that enhance their professional and personal skills. Okay, let's just move to the next slide. I would like to talk about, in this section, I would like to talk about the technologies we used from the front end, from the back end, and the database technologies we use. Let's dive in quickly to the front end technologies. We used HTML, and that's basically the core markup language for structuring the content on this website. We use CSS3, which was used to style the website, the colors, the design, style the website, and create a responsive design that works across different devices such as, whether you are on this platform on your desktop or your tablet or your mobile phone, you should be able to use our e-learning platform. We also use JavaScript, the primary language for adding interactivity. This was the primary language that we used to help the site be more interactive with our users, such as dynamic content loading, quizzes, and interactive elements. We use just one backend technology, and that's Django or Flask. It's basically a Python-based web framework used for rapid development and clean, maintainable code. We also used one database technology, which was MongoDB, and there's a document-oriented NoSQL database that offers flexibility in data structure, often used with dynamic and rapidly changing data sets. Joseph, kindly take us to the next slide. So in creating this platform, there are some third parties that we needed to, indulge or inbuild in this platform. We have number one, video hosting and streaming. Number two, we also have payment gateways. Payment gateways. Some of the examples of payment gateways are like Stripe. Number three, that's last but not least, we have email and communication services. Kindly take us to the next slide. In this section, I'd like to talk about challenges that we have already identified with our current, site, and we are trying to find solutions to these. So when developing the e-learning platform, which is the Fast Teach Online, several challenges came up during the process, and we would like to talk about some of them that see engaging in structured course content is time consuming and requires expertise. Organizing this content in a way that's easily accessible to users is also a major challenge. Number two is video based courses require a large amount of.
Okay.